Hello and welcome to another Mr. Racecar video, and today I'm installing a Odyssey Extreme PC680 lightweight battery into my MX-5 racing car. So right here's the battery, and the main advantage of these batteries are they're just so small and light, perfect for a racing car. So here's the specs here. It has 170 cold cranking amps, so that's around 4 times less than a standard battery. But as you can see, this battery is around 4 times smaller, so it's kind of what you expect. This battery may not perform very well in cold weather, just because it's that much harder to crank the engine over. But this is going to be a racing car and it's not going to be used in cold weather. I will use it a bit just to see what happens. So I'll let you know, I'll update you guys. But for now, let's get it installed. So to get this battery installed properly, you will need all of the OEM mounting equipment as laid out here. So we've got the bottom bracket, the hook, the top clamp, and then that in the middle, that's the Dave Fab adapter bracket. Just makes things much easier for this battery. We've also got the right angled battery tray clamp. So all these parts do add up in price. So the battery, £100. The Dave Fab adapter bracket, £60. The black piece, top clamp, £20. This bottom piece here, £6. This bit here, about £3. And this cost me around £10 on eBay. So all in all, it cost me near £200. So I've just placed this into position for you. This is not bolted down whatsoever. I just placed it there just to get a feel for how it's gonna look in the end, just to see if everything lines up, and so far so good. So we got the tray guide there, we've got the base clamp down here, got the hook going into the bottom just there, we've got the top clamp which actually goes into the chassis. Let's get a bit of a better look. So there we are, it goes into the chassis right there. And we've got Dave Fab bracket down the bottom, which to be honest doesn't do a great deal apart from just kind of keep it in place. £60 for that. Anyway, the next steps for me are bolting it into place. All I need to do is get 4 bolts into position. So two for this clamp down here and 2 for this clamp here, and that's it. But unfortunately it's not straightforward, as many things in life. These holes are just not the right size. I couldn't find any bolts for them, so I'm just going to drill them out, put my own bolts in pretty much. I've got some bolts and some nuts, drill it out to the right size, smash it in. Job's a good one. So let's give it a go. So I ended up using a 6mm drill bit in the end. 5mm was too small, I could not get the bolts in. But here we are, they're in, but then they're not tight yet. I need to get under the car to tighten them up. So let's do that now. And there we are. It's all bolted in, all tightened up. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. I'm happy with that. I can see the light on the dashboard's lit up, so let's go and give it its first crank, see what happens. So here we are, the light's flashing. Let's put the key in. Okay, light has gone off. Okay. Fires right up, no issue whatsoever. Let's go give it a little test drive. Hello guys, yeah, this is a different day. So I've been using the lightweight Odyssey battery for a few days now. And all I can say is, so far so good. The trunk, as they say in America. So there we are. I mean, it's been about a week now. No issues from starting, although it is a very hot day. It's been a very hot few days, in fact, so there aren't going to be any issues due to the cold. But all I can say is, guys, fantastic little battery so far. Saves around 15 kilograms in weight. So if you've got a track car, then I highly recommend it. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.